Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Pierre, this is Simple Home Brew. I'm finally doing a tasting video on the All In Brewing Company's Mosaic Hopped IPA. This beer is the only one that survived out of all the beers I made. Basically, I had a beer that was called the Red Leader beer. I don't know what it was now, I can't remember, but it was well not worth it. I don't know what happened. It became oxidized and it went grey, and it was awful, absolutely awful. I've got it here somewhere, but I can show you. I don't want to. It's kind of embarrassing. I'm going to turn it to a spirit. It actually finished, and when it first did it, it wasn't too bad, but it needed aging, and as I aged it, it oxidized, and I don't know what caused that. I really don't know why that happened at all. In any case, we've got one that's awesome. This one here is the All In Brewing Company's Mosaic Hopped IPA. I used US 05 yeast, and oh my god, I've never really got into US 05 before, and it's not bad. It actually works really well. It doesn't leave much of a residue. Oh, it smells good. This is a kit. If you haven't seen the video, I'll pop a link up here. This is a kit that I wasn't going to do, but I was bored, waiting for some ingredients to come from Kegland, and I went and bought it to try it out, and I'm really not disappointed at all. This is aged perfectly. It's got the perfect carbonation in it. As you can see, it's all nice and foamy. It's got a new good head. I'm sorry, my camera is stuck in one mode. I've had trouble with it recording audio, so I put it in a certain mode to keep it recording in quality, as good quality as I can do it anyway. 4K, trying to make it look good. Anyway, what are you going to do? I'm not a bloody connoisseur in video making either. This beer, it's a little bit cloudy, just a smidge, but that's because of hops. You know, the colour's beautiful. What you're seeing, what I can see in the screen that I'm looking at when I'm recording, is the same colour I'm looking at now. So it's got a golden colour to it. It's got a beautiful mosaic hue. Oh, sorry. What do you call that? A whiff of smell. It's beautifully noted. It's just perfect, absolutely perfect. Obviously, I put mosaic in. I put about 100 grams of mosaic in it. That's probably why it's a little bit cloudy. I did cold crash it before I kegged it, and the smell is phenomenal. This is an award-winning beer. It smells award-winning. It's just got everything. Probably a little bit better than some of the beers in the pubs I've been drinking lately. It's great, absolutely great. It should have been in the Canvant calendar, which I'm doing as well. By the way, guys, I'm doing the Canvant calendar. I'm actually at day 15 or day 16 at the moment. This was recorded a few days back. I'll be doing day 16 after I do this one. If you're interested, I'm not doing it on YouTube. I have actually posted it in a playlist down below, so I'll pop a link up here if you want to check it out. They're all the beers I've tasted in the last 16 days. By the time you see it, it's probably going to be closer to Christmas. And they've been great. They've been really great. Canvant calendar, really good. I've been posting on my Instagram account. So if you don't know about it, I'll put a link down below. I have an Instagram account that I post on there all the time. I just post videos there. I post what I'm doing for the day. I just do personal stuff. Simple Home Brew does personal stuff as well. I have a life outside of this brew channel. But this one, I'm going to taste it in front of you. I've already tasted it, I have to tell you. Oh, it is gorgeous. The flavour is just beautiful. It's all really nicely balanced. Like I said, it's brewery worthy. It's a really nice beer. I could drink this all day. This is just a sessionable beer. I think it was 4.3% alcohol volume. It fermented perfectly. I have another one of these kits, by the way. It's in the... Where is it? Oh, it's in the fridge, crashing. It's a different brand. It's one that's coming up. It's 8 stacks. So keep your eye out for that one. I should have that posted before Christmas. Anyway, the flavour. A beautiful, slightly sweet, little bit, mildly bitter. The flavour is just... It's full, very full flavoured. It's got a malty flavour, very light malty flavour. It's very light in taste, but it doesn't taste empty. You know, sometimes you drink a beer and you get this watery flavour on your tongue, and it does not have that. It has a really nice full flavour on your tongue. It's really good, really good. It is binge worthy, sessionable, anything. It basically works for everything. This is the Mosaic Hopped IPA by All In Brewing Company, and I really, really like these brew kits. Basically, they've done all the work for you. I brewed this using their methods. Basically poured a bag into a fermenter, added a bit of water, and I used fresh clean water, fermented it for, I think it was about 5 days, 7 days, something like that. It finished very quickly, and then I cold crashed it, transferred it to a keg, and now this is what we have. What a great beer. Guys, get into it. It's really good. It's $55 from Kegland. I'll put a link down below. They're out of stock at the moment. I'll put a link down below for Kegland's link. This is affiliate link. So if you want to check out some of the products I promote on this channel, I suppose, I will get a little bit of a kickback from that. When I buy products from Kegland, I get a discount to make it worthwhile. It's just worthwhile for me to get you guys to click on my link before you buy something like this. But it is a great idea. It's easy, quick. If you want something that's going to work and it's foolproof, it takes no time and you don't have to make any effort. It's just as good easily as a all grain Git beer. And I don't care what anybody says, my all grain beers taste as good as this. I guess it's getting drunk today. No, I'm joking. I'm going to go out. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being part of Simple Homebrew. I try to put out as many different videos as I can, try to mix it up a little bit. I am going to go out and about very soon. That's all coming up very soon. Hopefully you'll get some enjoyment out of that. Some of you do, I know. I'm getting out a little bit if I can. You know, I've got things happening at home, so I can't always leave my house, so I try. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That is very important. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. I know people say this all the time, but the notification bell really makes a huge difference for you guys if you want to see my videos pop up. I love that thumbs up as well. That thumbs up also helps, and comment below. If you comment below, I will definitely answer you. So far, I'm getting enough comments that I can answer. They are building up and getting a lot more common. I'm getting a lot more comments on all my old videos and new videos, so I'm missing out on a few. So sorry guys if I haven't answered your questions yet. I will get to it soon. Loving it, loving brewing, loving the channel, loving doing this stuff, and loving communicating with you guys. Cheers, and we'll see you tomorrow. Oh, I've got to tell you too. Sorry guys, it just clicked. Patreon. I have Patreon, and people look after me on Patreon. I have 16 paying members. I have 3 non-paying members. Now you can get on there. If you're interested in what I'm doing, you can go on there, and I'll put posts and stuff on there. 3 people are getting benefit out of it. They're not getting to see the whole pre-recorded videos or the pre-edited videos, things like that. They're not getting that, but they are getting posts and stuff like that. So it's a benefit to you if you have a check. If you check out Patreon, sign up, become a member. It doesn't cost you anything. If you want to become a member, it costs you $1 a month. That's it. If you want to pay more, you can. Really appreciate it. It helps the channel big time. Keeps me going. Cheers. Thank you very much.